Today on the Car Guys, we're taking a quick look at a couple of BMW's enduring roadsters. One is a feisty little straight 6, the other is a fire-breathing turbocharged 6. One is the 1999 M Roadster, the other is the brand new 2020 Z4 M40i. Despite the more than 20 years that separate these cars, they share the same genes and both provide their owners more fun than you can have in just about any other car. The M Roadster, here in Arctic Silver Metallic, is powered by the incomparable S54 Straight 6 and produces 245 brake horsepower. While not a lot on paper, it feels like a whole lot more when you're behind the wheel. The Z4 M40i is BMW's newest variant of the Roadster, and it delivers more miles per mile than cars costing thousands more. This exceptional example is in BMW's Frozen Gray Metallic and is powered by the B58 engine, which is BMW's latest turbocharged inline-6-cylinder. With 385 horses under your foot, it will carve curves like nothing else. Look for more quick looks like this and more in-depth comparison videos on these and other cars coming soon to the Car Guys.